Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from PayPal to your Bitcoin wallet. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your PayPal app and then you have to click on this finances option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on crypto tab from this screen, and then on this screen you'll be able to see all of your cryptocurrencies that you currently have in your account. Now from here you have to select Bitcoin, and then on this screen you have to click on this double arrow action button right next to the cell, and then from this pop-up window click on send, and on this screen you have to paste the wallet address from your Bitcoin wallet. You can use any Bitcoin wallet that you want. So I'm going to open my wallet, and then you have to just simply get the QR code or the wallet address, and once you have your wallet address you need to copy it and go back to the PayPal app, paste the wallet address in this top bar, and then you will see this option with your wallet address and this two arrows, so you have to tap on it, and then lastly just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then it might send you verification code to your email ID or registered mobile number. So enter verification code, and then it will show you the summary of your transfer. So make sure your wallet address and the amount is correct, and also make sure that the network you are using is the same in both of your PayPal and your Bitcoin wallet. So once you confirm these things, click on send now, and your Bitcoin will be transferred from PayPal to your Bitcoin wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.